Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to convert a PDF inventory sheet into an Excel spreadsheet using Lido. If you have ever struggled with extracting data like item names, SKUs, quantities, and price per unit from your PDFs, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. In this video, I'll walk you through how Lido automatically recognizes the type of document you are feeding it. In this case, it will be an inventory sheet. It smartly identifies which columns need to be populated, show you the data fields, and even lets you edit them if needed. We will also cover how to use the extract multiple rows per document options to capture every line item. And finally, I'll show you how to export this data to an Excel file. Alright, let's get started. First go to lido.app and simply sign in with your work email. Once you sign in, you can see a dashboard like this. So this is the PDF that we are going to extract data from. So it has SKU, item name, description, category, quantity, price per unit, and the total value. So these are the columns that you want to extract. And this is the data rows that you want to extract in this particular demo. So we'll simply go to Lido, click on new file. If you click on tools and click on data extractor, it will open this window for you. So this is the window where we can upload the PDF, image or document that we want to extract data from. In this particular demo, I'm going to use an inventory PDF. So I'll upload the PDF here. Notice how Lido is intelligent enough to recognize that it is an inventory document and it has automatically populated the columns with the right data fields, such as SKU, item name, description, category, quantity, price per unit, and the total value. Now, if you want to make any changes to these columns, you can easily edit them. For example, if you want to change the price per unit as price and P should be capital, price per unit, you can simply edit this. Once you hit enter, this will be reflected here. And similarly, if you want to change anything, for example, if you want to change the total value as total and just hit enter, it will be updated here. If you decide you don't want the dollar sign to appear in the price per unit field, you don't have to worry about manually adjusting it every time. Lido works so well that you don't even need to use the extra instructions field. However, if you want to fine tune the extraction, say to remove the dollar symbol, you can type in the natural language instructions in the extra instructions field. For example, ensures that the price per unit and total value columns are extracted as numerical columns. Verify that all the values in the total value column are product of quantity and price per unit. So these are the extra instructions Lido has automatically populated for us. And if you want to give any extra instructions, for example, you don't want the dollar symbol, you can simply say remove the dollar symbol from price per unit and total column. That's it. You just need to give your natural language instructions and Lido will take care of it. It is a way of coaching the AI to get your desired output. One of the best part of Lido is handling PDFs with multiple line items. Our inventory sheet example has several line items listed. To extract all of them, simply toggle the extract multiple rows per document. Once you check this setting ensures that every single line item is captured and transferred into separate rows in your Excel file. This feature saves you from tedious manual entry and ensures that no data is missed. Once you've confirmed that these are the column names that you want to keep and you have given any natural language extra instructions that you want and you have selected the extract multiple rows per document, you can simply click on the extract button here. There you go. It has processed all the data for us. If you see here, we have SKU, item name, description, category, quantity, price per unit, and total. You can see that the price per unit and total don't have any symbol, that is the dollar symbol that we have removed using the extra instructions field. Once you are happy with how the data looks in the spreadsheet, it's time to export it to Excel. Just click on File, and simply click on Export Values to Excel. And there you go. In seconds, your PDF data is now neatly organized into an Excel file. This makes further data manipulation, reporting, or inventory management a breeze. To sum it up, Lido recognizes your inventory sheet and automatically populates the necessary columns. Lets you easily adjust the settings with natural language and extra instructions, and handles multiple line items seamlessly. Finally, you can export all this data to an Excel within few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your work easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.